Hey guys, what's up? This is Vedant back again with another video, and in this video we have some special content. We will be unboxing, yes, a SSD case, an external SSD case. So let's roll the intro and see the cinematics. So guys, this video is sponsored by KTM Gadgets. It's a very good place to find multiple computer accessories and to fix, repair and buy new MacBooks and iMacs and other iPhone and Apple accessories. So this video has been sponsored by them. They also provide a lot of accessories, and the Ugreen 2.5 external SSD case is also provided by them. So this video is sponsored by KTM Gadgets. The link is in the description for their website, their phone number and other contact and emails. So let's start the unboxing process. So guys, the box actually looks very good from outside. It has a view of the SSD casing and Ugreen branding over here, and USB 3.0 to 2.5 inch written over here. So here we have written USB 3.0 up to 6 GB of drive and 2.5 inch hard drive or SSD. So here we can see this is the back. It's the SATA hard drive enclosure and some more information. So let's open the box, guys. So the box, what we get is our instructions, how to insert, which I guess we don't need, and thank you Ugreen for choosing Ugreen. So this product is officially available at KTM stores, KTM Gadgets, 3 stores private limited. So here's the actual SSD enclosure. Ugreen, protect what you love, and this design actually looks very good. And one more thing, the cable has been attached directly, so I don't have tension of carrying an extra cable or losing this cable. So SSD installation is also very easy, likewise. So I had a SSD, an external SSD, internal SSD, which I use such case, but a cheaper one which was offered by WD. So it was very hard to open, and this is the actual component which transfers our data, and I lost the cable, this cable, so I had to pay around 200 to 300 rupees for this cable, the hard drive cable. So I guess I don't have to pay in this case. So this case is now gone, and I'll be installing this SanDisk SSD Plus on this enclosure. So let's just install. So it also has padding which protects your SSD from damages, and here's the actual socket. You could not see it, sorry guys. Here's the actual socket, and here's padding which protects. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna insert it. So it's inserted, and close the lid. So this, guys, looks very fancy, very lightweight, more lightweight than the WD one. and actually looks better than that. So this, guys, is a very good product. So now let's try the speeds of my SSD. But actually we get better speeds with this, the Ugreen original casing, rather than the WD Chinese casing. So I suggest you guys, if you have a SSD or a 2.5 inch hard drive, you go for this. This is a very good SSD. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and go to KTM Gadgets, Computer Bazaar, Putli Sarak, Kathmandu, Nepal. If you want to buy this, the link is in the description below for their website and their phone number and their email address. So you can take my name. You've been sent by Vedant Todi, the YouTuber of the tech YouTuber, which will help you get a decent amount, which this case is really good. And you can remember our sponsor, our KTM Gadgets, for MacBooks and other Apple accessories and repair for all Apple accessories. So thank you guys for watching this video. Like, share and comment.